This luxury marble bathtub began its journey deep inside a mountain as a solid block of natural stone. Today, we'll take you inside the factory to see how raw marble is transformed into a premium bathtub. The process starts at a marble quarry, where massive stone blocks are extracted from the mountain. Diamond wire cutting machines slice through the rock with precision, preventing cracks and preserving the natural structure of the marble. Once separated, each marble block is carefully lifted using heavy cranes. These blocks can weigh several tons and must be handled slowly to avoid damage. The marble is then transported to a specialized stone processing factory, where manufacturing begins. At the factory, every marble block is thoroughly inspected. Technicians check for cracks, color consistency, and natural veining. Only premium quality marble is selected for bathtub production. The selected blocks are cut into smaller sections called blanks using industrial gang saws. Water is continuously sprayed during cutting to reduce heat and control stone dust. Next, engineers load digital bathtub designs into CNC machines. These computer-controlled systems ensure every bathtub is shaped with extreme accuracy. The CNC machine begins carving the marble, forming the outer shape and hollowing out the interior. Millimeter-level precision ensures symmetry, balance, and strength. After CNC carving, excess stone is removed to refine the shape and reduce weight while maintaining durability. Skilled craftsmen then take over. Using hand tools, they smooth curves, refine edges, and perfect the bathtub's contours for comfort and aesthetics. Once shaping is complete, precision drilling machines create the drain and overflow holes. Exact alignment is essential to ensure proper water flow and installation. The bathtub surface is then ground using progressively finer abrasives. This removes tool marks and prepares the stone for polishing. High-speed polishing machines bring out the marble's natural shine. The unique veins and patterns become more visible, giving each bathtub a one-of-a-kind appearance. To protect the stone, a special sealant is applied. This makes the marble resistant to water, stains, and daily wear. Each finished bathtub undergoes a final quality inspection. Inspectors check the surface finish, balance, drainage alignment, and overall structural integrity. After approval, the bathtub is carefully wrapped with protective materials and secured inside wooden crates to prevent damage during transport. Finally, the marble bathtubs are shipped to luxury homes, hotels, and showrooms around the world. From a mountain of stone to a centerpiece of modern bathrooms, this is how marble bathtubs are made.